Hey everyone, Nick here, and I'm beyond excited to show you something that we've developed out of the pure necessity for artificial turf called the Turf Power Sweep. Now, some of y'all have been watching us and seeing us put it on there, but after being in the artificial turf industry for over 20 years, I saw firsthand just how tough it is to truly keep your artificial turf clean. Debris gets trapped in the fibers, and blowers or rakes, they just don't cut it. So that's why we created the Turf Power Sweep. It's the ultimate cleaning machine made specifically for artificial grass. Obviously, you can use it on concrete, decking, and stuff like that, but we made it specifically for artificial turf. This powerful unit runs on a 40-volt battery system, so it's completely cordless. No gas, no cords, just total freedom. It also has 5 adjustable height settings, so whether you've got a putting green, a lush landscape turf, or a sports field, it's going to dial right in and give you that perfect clean. Now, it will pick up some infill, but not a lot. And if it does pick up some infill, just get rid of it, because it's not going to put in that much in the bag. Now, we just didn't want to show you leaves or dust in this video like we have been. We're actually using shredded money from our friends at the Federal Reserve. Yes, real shredded cash, to show you just how well it lifts even the tiniest particles from your turf. And watch this. It all goes straight into this huge collection bag. So cleanup is fast and it's easy. No more blowing debris all over the place or spending hours with a rake just so then you can take your blower and blow it back all over the place. It's lightweight, super easy to maneuver, and because it's battery powered, there's no fumes or loud noise. Your neighbors are going to love you for that. So, if you've invested in artificial turf, protect that investment with the Turf Power Sweep. It's hands down the easiest way to keep your turf looking pristine, healthy, and like new for years. Visit our website or give us a call today to order yours.